Hello friends, greetings. Welcome to Kira. As you will see, there are two options on the screen, sign up and login. If you're a new user, you can click on sign up and then follow instructions to fill in your phone number, name, and other details to create a new account. In case you already have an account, if you're a manager or a staff member of a shop, then just log in with your phone number and password, and in just two simple steps, you will now be able to log into your account. As I see, I'm logging in with my phone number and our password. As I've logged in, on the home screen there's a stock option and a billing option. In the stock option, you can view the list of items available. You can update, edit, or add to the list. Through the billing option, you can sell items and make bills. By clicking on My Customers, you can view a list of all your customers. In the My Bills option, you can view all the previously made bills and all the billing done by you. Under My Kira Staff, you can view all your delivery boys and staff members who run your shop, and you can access all relevant details about them. Under My Suppliers, you can view all your distributors and suppliers along with their details. Through Kila Analytics, you can also see the numerical data and sales made by your shop. In financials, you'll get multiple options such as profit and loss report, view cash flow, and you can also do GST filing from here. Now moving to the sidebar, I talked about all the options under home. Now in My Store, you can make all store related settings. Under the settings option, security settings, accessibility settings, and printer settings options are available. You can also see My Kira Staff and Refer and Earn. In Refer and Earn, you'll earn as much as you refer to other people, and it will be beneficial to you. Through language settings, you can change the language of the app. Through Learn Kira, you can learn even more about Kira via videos. In About Kira, you can see the version number of Kira to assess whether you need to update the app or do you have the latest software or not. You also have a calculator to make calculations on screen. Similarly, after calculator, there is an option for contact us to get in touch with Kira support if you wish. Under our rewards, you can view all the rewards you have availed via the Kira app and other benefits. But through the logout button, you can log out of the current account if you wish and log in again through a different number if you want to. You can also see a lock button on the main screen, which you can lock by putting a 4-digit password. Any feature that you wish can be locked via the lock option and will be accessible only after putting the 4-digit PIN. You can also see a Kira Learn video icon through which you can go to YouTube and learn more about the Kira app. You can press the bell icon to access all stock, customers, and billing related notifications. Here we are with all the three options. Now in the upcoming videos, we will be talking about all the other features in this app. Thank you friends.